Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction in beautiful Clearwater, Florida. This beautiful 1908 auto runabout by the Schacht company is my project for today. This car was just purchased for the soon-to-be-open museum, which is called the Collection on Palmetto Foundation. You can find that on Google Maps, Facebook, Instagram, whatnot. Just going to point out a few things. This is going to be the before. I'm going to shoot another one after. I'm going to bring you in here. I know my lighting is not great. I actually just realized I left my handheld at the house this morning. But we've got along this bottom rail, which is wood, we have got a fair amount of grease, dirt, grime. The owner of the museum wants all of this gone. Up into the spring work here, pretty good shape, but again, kind of fairly dirty also. Come around the back, it's got a crank. This is a one-cylinder motor. We just looked at some paperwork inside in the office, and the paperwork indicates that this is not the mere 14 horsepower motor. Let me get my numbers right. This is not the typical 16 horsepower motor. This is the 18 to 20 engine. So upgrade there. You can see lots of nice dust along here. And you know, the vehicle overall is in pretty darn good shape. It's just that it's been sitting in storage. It's dusty. These carriages all have, you can see, I hope, these lines along here. These are wood. These are basically, at this point in 1908, they are carriages right by the airport. So there, thanks for the plane for going over during that. But anyway, the by and large is that I am just going to clean this up. I've got my my creeper. I'm going to be underneath here. I've got a series of brushes, degreasers, different kinds of rags and stuff. And I'm just going to get up under here with both the hose and also the airless paint sprayer in a bucket of ONR, and at about 2,000 PSI, shoot some of the metal work here, get things degreased and cleaned up. I'm going to give you a little under view, and basically then just go over this. I've got a lot of just typical dust from storage and everything that's along the, especially the horizontal patterns. That just fell on here. Seat looks pretty good shape, just dusty. Looks like everything underneath is pretty good. So really, most everything. Got a lot of dryer sheets. I think those are to keep away any kind of bugs, moisture, things like that. This is the, again, Schacht company from Cincinnati, Ohio. These were more than likely add-on lights. Koran lamp company from Cincinnati, Ohio. Those might be original. They were in some of the brochures we looked at. So this might have actually, by 1908, had lights installed. A lot of the older vehicles didn't even have lights at this time, but they were putting them on during this stage work here. So just a very, very cool vehicle. A lot of these cars are, as horse-drawn carriages were converting over to steam, electric, and internal combustion engines. So thank you for being with me. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you know anyone that's interested in antique cars, please share this with them. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like, Be sure and of course hit the notification bell, bing, so you get more notifications on great videos from Deluxe Vehicle Detailing. And until then, enjoy making your vehicles beautiful. Thank you.